Introduction to NFHSLearn. Welcome to NFHSLearn.com. If you are new to NFHSLearn, you should first register for an account. To make an account, click the Register button in the top right corner. On the following pages, make sure that you fill in all information accurately. The email address you provide is what you'll use to sign in to NFHSLearn each time you come back to take more courses. Once the registration process is complete, you can sign in anytime to order and complete courses. The white navigation bar located at the top of the page will guide you through NFHSLearn. The dashboard serves as the hub for your unique profile within NFHSLearn. On the dashboard, you can see your courses, download certificates, and check your national certification progress. The dashboard is also where you can update your profile information. The Courses page is where you can see a listing of all the courses on the site. Use the search bar at the top to find any course you're looking for. You can also use the filters on the left side to view courses by category. Once you find the course you're looking for, click on the picture to go to that course's page. The NFHS Learn for You page is where you can find information relevant to your specific role. If you're a coach, you can find information on your state's coaching requirements, information about the NFHS National Coach Certification Program, and learn about the NFHS Coaches Association. The User Lookup tool is one of the best tools offered on the NFHS Learning Center. This is where you can enter as much or as little information about a person to see which courses they've completed. You can use the filters on the left side to narrow your search quickly and efficiently. The Help page is where you can go to find assistance on a problem or get in touch with the NFHS Help Desk. They're available to help you through a problem quickly and courteously.